Alright, we are solving a linear equation with several occurrences of the variable. And the variable that they're using here is the letter u. Now, you may notice that there is a set of parentheses right here. So, you need to get rid of those by using the distributive property. And what you're going to distribute, whoops, sorry about that, is the 2 in front of the parentheses. Now, this 3u right here, that's still there. I haven't messed with him. But when I distribute the 2, I'm going to get plus 2 times u is 2u, plus 2 times the 2 is a 4. The parentheses end, so I'm just going to copy the equal sign and the negative 6. The parentheses are gone. That's step 1. Use a distributive property. Step 2 is going to be combining any like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. On the left side, I have a 3u plus a 2u plus a 4. Since the 4 does not have a u, it's not a like term. But these two are like terms. I've got 3 u's here and I got 2 u's there. So altogether, I have 5 u's. It's not 5u squared, it's just 5u. It's like saying you got $3 in one pocket, $2 in another pocket, you got $5, period. And then I still have the plus 4 equals, and then the only thing that's on the right side of the equal sign is the negative 6, so that's all there is there. So you've distributed and you've combined like terms. Now what you're going to do is start to isolate the variable. The variable is the u. It's got the 5 and the 4. They're hanging out with it. You got to get rid of them, but you have to get rid of them mathematically. You have to cancel them out. And I would start with the plus 4. So to cancel out a plus 4, I'm going to use a minus 4 because plus 4 minus 4 cancels out. That's just 0. But there's a rule for equations that says what you do to one side of an equation, you have to do the exact same thing to the other side to keep it in balance, kind of like a scale. If you take off 10 pounds on one side, you got to take off 10 pounds on the other or your scale's not balanced. So I'm going to have to subtract the 4 over here also. So I kind of ran out of room, so follow me. I'm going to be left with the 5u on the left, and then on the right, if you have negative 6 and you take away another 4, that's going to take you to negative 10. And now what I'm going to do is take the 5u and I'm going to divide off the 5. But what you do to one side, you got to do to the other. So take the negative 2 or negative 10 and divide that by 5 also. On the left, 5 divided by 5 is a 1 u, and a 1 times a u is just a u. And then on the right side, the negative 10 divided by 5, that's a negative 2. And that's my answer. I'm done. I have found the correct answer for u.